Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajeem. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Welcome back in the chemistry lecture. Chapter 14, Biomolecule. Last time we have seen the topic of protein. Now we will see the examples of protein. Proteins are biopolymer of alpha amino acid. Proteins are biopolymers of alpha amino acid. For the knowledge point of view, we know very well that protein on hydrolysis gives n number of alpha amino acids. Protein on hydrolysis gives n number of alpha amino acids. One of the example of protein, that is insulin, is one of the protein. On hydrolysis it gives 51 amino acid. Insulin on hydrolysis gives 51 alpha amino acids. So that is why we can say proteins are biopolymer of alpha amino acids. Alpha amino acid is an biomolecule. That is why it is said to be as an biopolymer. Now we will see the example, the structures of some common protein. 20 common example of amino acid has been given in the textbook, so we have to see one by one. We have to see the structure of amino acids. 20 common amino acid we will see. Amino acids are further classified as essential and non-essential amino acid that we have seen last time. Essential amino acid means that cannot be obtained from the diet. Non-essential amino acid, they are obtained from the diet. So the essential amino acid, I will be representing it by the asterisk sign. We have to see the structure of the common alpha amino acids which is given in the textbook. One by one we will see. Name of amino acids, then we will see the structure of, actually we will not see the R substituent, we will see the structure of amino acids. We will see the abbreviation, that is 3-letter symbol. We will see 3-letter symbol and 1-letter symbol also has been given in our new syllabus textbook. And amino acids are also classified as neutral amino acids, acidic amino acid and basic amino acid. We will see 15 example of neutral amino acid. First we will see the neutral amino acid example. Neutral amino acid. Glycine. Glycine is the first amino acid. In the textbook, in the structure they have said that R substituent. R substituent means what? Say for example, this is the structure of amino acid, general structure of amino acid. This R group will always get changed. So first time when R is hydrogen, so in the textbook only hydrogen has been represented. I will be drawing the entire structure for all the 20 amino acids. So this is the hydrogen where we can put it in place of R. So this will be actually the alpha amino acid. The first member of alpha amino acid is glycine, and 3-digit symbol of the glycine is GLY. 1-digit symbol of the glycine is G. Second amino acid, that is alanine. The substituent is actually in place of R, we have to write methyl group. As I told you that I will write the entire structure. So this will be CH3. CH3 COOH hydrogen atom to the alpha carbon atom NH2 group. Functional group attached to a carbon atom is known as alpha carbon, and the group which is attached on alpha carbon is said to be as an alpha group, that is alpha amino. So the name of this molecule is alanine, and the 3-digit symbol of alanine is ALA, and the 1-digit symbol has been given in the book, that is capital A. Next, phenylalanine. Phenylalanine. With the alanine, one of the hydrogen is replaced by the phenyl group. So in this way we can write the phenyl ring and CH2, and this, if there is a CH3 over here, CH3 on phenyl ring is said to be as a toluene. So we can even say the substituted toluene. This group is attached to the repeating chain, that is alpha amino group, that is alpha amino acid. Then the entire one will be said to be as an alpha amino acids. So that is CH, even I can write CH, COOH, and this will be NH2. The entire structure I am writing. The 3-digit symbol of phenylalanine is PHE. PHE. And the 1-digit symbol is capital F. Now this phenylalanine is essential amino acid. Essential amino acid. I have said previously that I will be indicating the essential amino acid by the asterisk mark. Essential amino acid. What is essential amino acid? The amino acid which is not synthesized in our body, which is not prepared in our body, we have to take from the dietary constituents. These essential amino acids, our body fulfill this essential amino acid by the dietary constituents, that is from our diet. Essential amino acid. Now the next amino acid is valine. Valine is also essential amino acid. Valine is also essential amino acid. Now the valine has a structure that is isopropyl group. Isopropyl group. CH3, CH and CH3. So this is an isopropyl group which is attached to the carbon atom, that is alpha carbon atom. COOH NH2. Valine, the 3-digit alphabet of the valine is VAL, and 1 digit is capital V. Next, after valine, we have leucine. 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 In leucine we have we can say the isobutyl group. Isobutyl group, in our understanding language we can say CH3 CH3. This is isopropyl, so it becomes isobutyl group. CH COOH NH2 The 3-digit alphabet for the leucine is L E U. 1-digit symbol is capital L. Leucine. The sixth one, this leucine is also essential amino acids. So till now we have seen 3 essential amino acids, that is phenylalanine, valine, leucine. Now we have to see isoleucine. Isoleucine is also the essential amino acid. Isoleucine. Isoleucine. Now isoleucine will be at the beta position with respect to this alpha carbon. Functional group attached to a carbon atom is known as alpha carbon. Next to alpha will be beta. So this methyl group will be shifting toward the beta carbon atom. So that is nothing but isoleucine. CH3, CH2, CH, CH3 and the rest one. COOH, NH2. That is isoleucine. I L E, capital I is the symbol. Isoleucine. Now we will see 7th one, that is tyrosine. Tyrosine, which is non-essential amino acid. That means this amino acid is synthesized in our body. Non-essential amino acid, tyrosine. Tyrosine. This tyrosine is another, we can say, the derivative of phenylalanine. As we know that in alanine we have only methyl group, in phenylalanine we have phenyl group and methyl group, and in the tyrosine, at the para position of the phenyl ring, benzene ring I can say, there is an OH. So in short I can say, at para position we have OH group and there is a ring over here, CH2. So this, if suppose if I write CH3 over here, it will become alanine, and now it will become phenylalanine, now it will become tyrosine. So in the textbook actually it is somewhere it can be written in this way also, HOC6H4CH2. So that is why para has been given, so it is to be understood that OH is at para position. I have drawn the benzene ring, so there is no need to write pH, because from the ring we can recognize that the OH is at para position with respect to the CH2. And if suppose if I write C6H4, then I have to show that OH is at para position, and the rest ring, that is CH, COOH and NH2. Even I can write NH2 at the bottom. This and this is the same. Here you can attach this CH, COOH and NH2 group. I hope you understand. One and the same. This is tyrosine. It is tyrosine. The tyrosine is TYR. TYR, tyrosine, and 1-digit symbol is Y. Of course, all 1-digit symbol is on the capital alphabet. 8th one, tryptophan. 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 Tryptophan is an essential amino acid. In the tryptophan we have a structure of benzene ring. Tryptophan has one benzene ring fused with 5-membered ring. Which has only one unsaturation bond over here with the CH2 group. This is the R side substituent, that is side chain R of alpha amino acid, and this is the entire structure, CH, COOH NH2. The 3-digit symbol is TRP, and the 1-digit alphabet is W. Ninth one, serine. Serine has structure that is methyl alcohol, we can say CH2OH. If it is not attached to the alpha amino group, so it will be an methyl alcohol. So methyl alcohol attached to the alpha amino group is said to be as a serine. Remember carefully. Serine, COOH NH2. Three-digit alphabet is SER. 1-digit alphabet is capital S. The 10th one, that is proline. 10th one is proline. The substituent group is CH2. This can cyclize. How it will be getting cyclized, try to understand. The structure of proline is in the cyclic form. The alpha amino group, from the amino group, one of the hydrogen is substituted. CH2, and over here this is CH2, 3 CH2, and hydrogen is substituted of the amino group, and only one hydrogen will be there. So carbon 1, 2, 3, one of the hydrogen will be at this age also, CH. So this is the entire structure which is in the cyclic form, that is proline. The three-digit symbol of the proline is PRO. In the new syllabus textbook, the cyclic structure has been given, and this is the substituent R group, which is not given in the new syllabus textbook, and the 1-digit symbol is capital P. This is proline, which is non-essential amino acid. Now we'll see the next amino acid, that is glutamine. We will see glutamine, structure of glutamine. We are seeing the neutral amino acid. Glutamine has amide group with the ethyl group. How to remember amide group with the ethyl group? NH2C double bond O, amide group with the ethyl group, so CH2. Of course, ethyl is CH3CH2, so hydrogen is substituted, so this will be CH3 NH2COOH. This is a glutamine. The symbol is GLN. 1-digit symbol is Q. That is glutamine, which is non-essential amino acid. Now we will see the next is cysteine. The next amino acid is cysteine. Cysteine has sulfur atom in the amino acid. In the starting lecture, I have said that the amino acid may contain the element like hetero element like the sulfur, molybdenum, and other elements, etc. So one of the heteroatom sulfur has been introduced, SHCH2, CH NH2 COOH. The 3-digit symbol is CYS. 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 1-digit symbol is capital C. That is cysteine. Now we will see another structure, that is methionine. That is methionine. Methionine. Methionine is essential amino acid. That is CH3, sulfur atom in between, sulfur, CH2, CH2, the 3-digit symbol for the methionine is MET, MET. MET, MET. 1-digit symbol is capital M. That is methionine, methionine. The next is threonine, threonine. 14th one, threonine. Threonine, the structure of threonine is serine was having methyl alcohol, now it will be ethyl alcohol, but at position beta carbon atom. So CH3CHOH. With respect to the entire structure, this OH is at beta position. COOH NH2. Functional group attached to carbon atom alpha carbon, next to alpha is beta carbon. The group attached on the beta carbon is at the beta OH group. The 3-digit symbol for the threonine is THR. THR. The 1-digit symbol is capital T. This threonine is also essential amino acid. And the last but not the least, we have to see the 15th one of the neutral amino acid. Acidic amino acid, as we have seen, the asparagine contain amide group, that is methyl, amide group attached to a methyl group. In the glutamine, we have seen the amide group attached to the ethyl group. So this is an asparagine. The 3-digit symbol is ASN, capital N. Now we will see acidic amino acid. In acidic amino acid, the COOH group will be more than the amino group. So one of the we have only 2 examples in our new syllabus textbook, that is glutamic acid and aspartic acid. Glutamic acid and aspartic acid. Glutamic acid consists of COOH group 2 times and NH2 group is only 1 time. So that means COO group is more than the NH2 group. That is why it is said to be as an acidic amino acid. The 3-digit symbol of the glutamic acid is GLU. 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 And the 1-digit symbol of the glutamic acid in our textbook has been given G. That is wrong. Printing mistake is there, because capital G symbolizes glycine, which is first alpha amino acid. So you can make the correction in our textbook. That is 1-digit alphabet. 1-digit alphabet of the glutamic acid is capital E. It is capital E. Make the correction in the textbook. Capital E is 1-digit symbol. Second acidic amino acid is aspartic acid. ASPARTIC, aspartic acid. Aspartic acid. Aspartic acid consists of acetic acid, we can say, that is COOH, COOH, CH2, COOH, NH2. The 3-digit symbol for aspartic acid is ASP. ASP, and the 1-digit symbol is capital D. This acidic amino acid is non-essential amino acid. Now only 2 example has been given in our textbook. So now we will move ahead with the basic amino acid. In the basic amino acid, NH2 group is more than the acidic group. So let's see the basic amino acid. The basic amino acid. In the basic amino acid, again there is a printing mistake in Arg9. Try to understand. We have 3 examples of basic amino acid, that is Arg9, lysine and histidine. So we can see first lysine do not have any mistake. So lysine, Lysine, lysine has butyl group, N-butyl amino group is present, NH2. CH2 is 4 times, CH2, CH2 bond, CH2 bond, CH2 bond, CH2, or even we can write the 4 times with the bracket with one of the methylene group. So CH2 group is 4 times with the amino group, that is lysine. That is what? Lysine. The 3-digit symbol of lysine is LYS. LYS. And the chain we can write over here, CH, COOH, NH2. NH2, CH, COOH. The 1-digit symbol for the lysine is K, capital K. All 1-digit symbol is in the capital alphabet. The second one, basic amino acid, that you have to correct in the textbook, pay attention properly. Arg9. Arg9 ARGININE, Arg9, NINE, Arg9, NH2 double bond carbon atom. Now try to understand, nitrogen valency is 3, the lone pair electron has been used, that is why plus sign, because now nitrogen is with valency 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now one of the amino group is hanging to this carbon atom, carbon valency 4, 1, 2, 3, the fourth one with again NH group, NH, with the methylene group. Actually 3 times, in the textbook it is written 1 time, so this will be actually 3 times, CH2, CH2, CH2. So make a correction, you can write into the bracket 3 times, or you can write in this way in the expanded form. Okay, so in the textbook it is only written 1 time, it is actually 3 times, Arg9. So please make a correction, Arg9, and the rest group, that is CH, COOH, NH2. Now this Arg9 has a symbol ARG, 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 3-digit symbol ARG, and 1-digit alphabet is capital R, capital. Last but not the least, third one, that is histidine. Histidine has a structure, cyclic structure, with the 2 nitrogen atom in the ring, nitrogen valency 3, 1, 2, 3. Over here hydrogen, that means no double bond will be occur over here. Now here there will be double bond with CH2 group, and now this is histidine. The symbol is his, H-I-S. 1-digit alphabet is H. 15 we have seen 15 neutral amino acid and 2 acidic amino acid, 3 basic amino acid. In all, we have seen 20 alpha amino acids, into which all the basic amino acids are essential amino acids. All the basic amino acids are essential amino acids. And the essential amino acid we have seen, among 20 there are 10 essential amino acids. There are 10 essential amino acids. Thank you.